Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching in the world. Thank you very much for joining us again, and welcome back to the Washing Line Railway. Today we're going to have a quick trip down memory lane. It's not a very long memory lane as it happens, as the railway was built in 2020 during the first UK national lockdown. Nevertheless, building a garden railway was something that I've always wanted to do. It was a childhood dream of mine. And therefore, with all the extra time I had on my hands, I thought it would be a really good opportunity to finally build the garden railway. I started off with a single locomotive. This is one that you may have seen before on the channel. It's a Houston Gate Locomotive Works LB1 loco. I'm pretty sure the total cost of the loco was around about £30, which is incredibly affordable for new starters into the hobby. I also had a number of Phil Sharple's wagons and a few Swift 16 carriages, all of which were really good value. Easy to put together and perfect for the beginner into the garden railway hobby. I'll put some links into the description for the websites that I've mentioned, and if you're in the same position that I was last year, thinking about building a garden railway for the first time but aware of some of the costs involved, I would really recommend trying out some of these products. They really help to keep the cost as low as possible, and if I'm honest, the enjoyment as high as possible as well. Fairly soon after came my PDF Models Ernie loco. This is a 3D printed product that fits together as a kit of parts. It runs on a 6 to 15 volt motor, and it's exceptionally powerful for the work that I need it to do. Running short trains was quite fun at first, but I soon decided I wanted to take it to the next level and run longer trains. And therefore, I would need to increase my rolling stock provision. In order to try and keep the cost as low as possible, I decided I'd have a go at scratch building some carriages. These are all made from cardboard and balsa wood, and I'm really happy with how they've turned out. I've got no prior experience for scratch building, but with all the time we had on our hands, I thought it would be worth experimenting. And the beauty of the narrow gauge garden railway scene is that, in my mind, it doesn't need to be perfect. Narrow gauge railways were so quirky and obscure in their nature, and I think that's the beauty, that's the attraction of the garden railway scene for me. Anything goes and nothing looks out of place. And that brings us right up to date, folks. Here you can see the same 3 scratch built cardboard carriages along with the cardboard Caferna loco tractor. As always, folks, thank you so much for watching the videos. I really appreciate your support. Please do hit the subscribe button and the like button if you enjoy what I do, and I'll keep on making these videos. Thank you.